my channel. So I actually filmed my Chunky Dunky video a while ago, but I never ended up posting it because I didn't like the footage that I shot. So I thought that I will redo this video even though I know these sneakers came out a while ago. And obviously you guys can see I have the special box with me, which is super exciting. First of all, look how huge this box is, but I just think it's super cute. Obviously having the special box is just like a huge novelty thing, and even the entire sneaker itself, I feel like this collaboration is definitely a collector's item. I know the resale is super high on these, and the resale for the special box is pretty crazy right now. So this is what the special box looks like, but the regular box, it just comes in this one over here. But yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox this. I'm sure there are videos out there already, but I just really wanted to do my own unboxing, and I just feel like this box is so cute. I think the entire collaboration is just really creative, and yeah, obviously I like it a lot. So yeah, when you open up the box... Anyway, I'm sorry I'm so clumsy today. When you open up the box, you can see there is a shoehorn underneath here, and it just says Ben & Jerry Nike SB. I think that is such a cute detail. Not that I use shoehorns. And then inside, you can see the sneakers are in there. I'm not sure whether all of these special boxes are the same size. I'm assuming it is, so that it would fit like any size of sneaker. The one I have here is a men's 6, which is my true to size, and I would say that the Nike SBs do fit true to size. And these are what the sneakers look like. I'm sure you guys already know what they look like at this stage, but I just think it is a really great collaboration. I love the creativity, and when you look at the sneaker, you definitely think this is a pair of Ben & Jerry sneakers. I feel like this is also a huge flex and definitely a collector's item in my eyes. Like, I almost feel like they're not super wearable, but if you're like, you know, trying to flex a little bit, I feel like these are a really good addition to your sneaker collection. Obviously the resale is really high like I mentioned before, but I feel like they are definitely a must-have in terms of like Nike SB releases this year. You guys know that I love the Strange Love Nike SB collab, and that one's definitely more wearable, but I feel like these are definitely a lot more unique. I really like all the details there on this sneaker, like the swoosh for example, you can see it's in this like drip pattern, and this cow print like pony hair kind of texture. When you look at the inside of the sneaker, you can see this sort of this like rainbow tie-dye kind of vibe, and just overall a very happy looking sneaker. Moving on to the back of the sneaker, you can see here there is the Nike embroidery, but they've actually used the Ben & Jerry's typeface, which I think again is a really nice touch. The outsole of the sneaker is green. Another detail is also the tongue of the sneaker. So it is a pair of SB, so it does have that padded fat tongue, and on the inside it just has this tag, and it says, "If it's not fun, why do it?" which I think is a really cute slogan. On feet, they do feel a little bit stiff. I don't know whether it's just me, but I also have not really like worn them. They are just like a little quick on feet kind of thing, and based on that, it does feel a little bit stiff. I feel like at this stage you guys already know what these sneakers look like, so I don't know whether this video is even helpful, but I really wanted to share it on my channel mainly because of this box. Look at it, so cute. It says wear dunks, eat chunks, ice cream not included. This is just so cute. I also forgot to mention that they didn't release the special box here in Australia. So when they released it here, it was really limited, and it all came in just the regular box, and everywhere ran raffles for them, and I entered all the raffles that I could enter, and obviously big L's. I feel like so many L's this year. Okay guys, I don't even want to talk about this Air GOL. I will, I'll talk about it in my next video, but I feel like that's definitely the biggest L for me in 2020, but this was actually a big L as well in terms of like winning the raffle for them. But yeah, I'm going on a tangent. Anyway, what I was trying to say is that they did not release the special box here in Australia, so I obviously had to go resell for these, and I picked this up at KickSCW. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, but they do also have the regular box one, so obviously the price will be slightly lower compared to this one. But yeah, I feel like this video is all over the place. Let me pull out the other pair. In terms of spare laces, they do give you a set of like yellow laces as well as green laces. And yeah, I think the white works really well because there's already so much happening with these sneakers. I don't know how to describe this sneaker other than it being super cute, but I really appreciate the whole like design elements that they've incorporated into these sneakers. I think it is a really well executed collaboration, and yeah, definitely a pair of sneakers to keep and just to hold on to, and like I mentioned before, a bit of a flex, a bit of a novelty thing. But if you manage to get your hands on them, yeah, I would say hold on to them if you're like a sneaker collector. Obviously the resale is great, so you know, I feel like a lot of people would have sold their pairs, but for myself, I just want a pair just so I can look at it. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit short, but I just wanted to come here and do a little quick unboxing, even though I don't know whether that was a very good unboxing at all. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Chunky Dunkies. I know there's been so many like Nike SBs releasing this year, the main ones being like the Strangelove, Travis Scott, and the Chunky Dunkies. And out of the three, I would say that the Chunky Dunkies are definitely the most unique and most creative, and yeah, I love them a lot, obviously. And I'm looking forward to more Nike SB Dunks this year. There's meant to be a CPFM pair. I'm not sure if that's like a rumored pair, but I'm sure you guys have seen photos of them and they look super cool. So if those release, I really need a pair. There's just a lot of dunks coming out this year. I think beginning of the year we saw I think Ambush posted a dunk high, and then also I'm losing track, like the off-white one. Am I imagining this? No, I probably didn't imagine this. But yeah, there's so many sneakers to look forward to this year. Now we are in July already, which is really weird to me. Like, where has the year gone? Anyway guys, I am rambling again, and I'm going to end the video here before I start telling you guys things that you don't want to know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below whether you managed to cop a pair of Chunky Dunkies or whether it's worth the resale, because the resale is absolutely crazy at the moment. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye! I feel like I'm always wearing the same top, guys, but if any of you guys are wondering, I always list what I'm wearing. Actually, no, I don't always do it. I do it most of the time, but I will list this jumper in case any of you guys are wondering. I actually bought this when I went to LA last year, and I went to the Supreme store, and that was what they had at that time. I'm wearing a size medium in case any of you guys are wondering. And I never ended up wait, what? I actually filmed a Chunky Dunky video a long time ago. Okay, not that long ago. When did this sneaker release? Obviously having the super box. What? Every time I review a sneaker, I'm always just like, it's so cute, but like, this is actually super cute. But anyway guys, I have gotten on a large, wait what? I'm gonna end the video.